This looks like a millionaire's playground. And honestly, it is. But the secret they don't tell you is that you don't need millions to experience it. Welcome to Balboa Peninsula. Today, we are spending the day walking past super yachts, immaculate waterfront homes, and the open ocean. We are going to show you how true luxury isn't just about what you own, it's about what you have access to. Before we start this walk, if you appreciate discovering calm, luxurious corners of the world, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. It helps us bring more of these experiences to you. Let's begin at the marina. When you first arrive here, the energy is immediately different. It is quiet, but it's not an empty quiet. It is a composed, heavy silence. There is a very specific, expensive energy here. Take a moment to look at the details. You are surrounded by incredible feats of engineering. These aren't just boats, they are floating palaces. The chrome railings catching the sun, the dark tinted glass, the immaculate white fiberglass reflecting off the calm water. Some of these vessels cost more than most luxury homes. But here's the fascinating part about walking the perimeter of this harbor. The view from the sidewalk is exactly the same as the view from the deck. The salt air smells the same. The sun hits your face at the same angle. You don't have to own the yacht to enjoy the lifestyle it represents. Walking here feels like stepping into a different world, one where the rush of regular life just falls away. In the city, noise is constant. Traffic, construction, sirens. Here, the only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the hulls and the distant cry of a seagull. This silence is the ultimate status symbol. It's a reminder that sometimes luxury is simply about timing and knowing where to go. It's free access to a priceless atmosphere. You can walk these docks, absorb this old money aesthetic, and feel that sense of calm without spending a dollar. It is a mindset shift, realizing that you can inhabit these spaces just by being present. As we leave the marina and start moving toward the ocean side of the peninsula, the environment changes. The architecture here tells a story. You pass by homes that are designed to be open to the world. Large windows, open patios, manicured gardens. It is a community built around the appreciation of beauty. And then the view opens up. We have moved from the impressive engineering of the yachts to the raw, untamed luxury of nature, the Pacific Ocean. There is a reason why the most expensive real estate in the world is almost always near the water. The ocean demands that you slow down. You cannot rush the tide. You cannot speed up the waves. Walking this beach with the sound of the crashing waves and the vast expanse of sand is a form of meditation. In a fast-paced world where we are constantly glued to screens and schedules, a slow walk on the beach is the ultimate luxury. It's permission to do absolutely nothing but breathe. Notice the texture of the sand, the way the light dances on the water. This is the part of the tour that balances the wealth we saw earlier. The yachts represent human achievement, but the beach represents timelessness. If you are enjoying this slower pace and this virtual escape, remember to hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps us find more places like this. Now, sometimes when you slow down, you make room for the unexpected. When you aren't rushing to the next destination, you actually see what is right in front of you. And today, we stumbled upon something magic. Right here, in the middle of all this serious wealth and grand scenery, was a simple moment of pure joy. A bubble artist creating giant floating spheres in the wind. It was hypnotic. Watch how the light catches the surface of the bubbles. They create these swirling rainbows that float for just a few seconds before popping. It wasn't planned, it wasn't expensive, but it was mesmerizing. There is a profound contrast here. On one side, we have the heavy, permanent steel of the super yachts, built to last forever. On the other, we have these fragile bubbles, destined to last only a moment, yet watching them brought just as much happiness. It was a perfect reminder that sometimes luxury is simply about pure, uncomplicated joy. It's a moment that costs nothing but feels priceless. Balboa Peninsula taught us something important today. Luxury doesn't always mean spending more money. It isn't always about the title deed or the price tag. Sometimes it's just about knowing where to be. It is about having the presence of mind to slow down enough to truly enjoy the view. Whether it's the gleam of a high-end boat, a crash of a wave, or a bubble floating in the wind, it's all there for you to experience. Thank you for walking with us today. If you want more calm escapes, mental breaks, and luxury walking tours, make sure you are subscribed. We'll see you in the next beautiful place.